Hi, folks. Welcome to your week 3 La Semana, and we are talking about what's happening this week for September 8th through September 14th. All right, so first up, we've got two homework assignments to round out week 2. You've got your 6.3 integration by parts and your supplemental lesson number 1, integration by partial fractions. Now, I know these are both integration techniques that start with the letter P, but integration by parts is different than integration by partial fractions. So make sure you know the difference between those two. And make sure you give yourself enough time to go through that content so that you don't feel too rushed and that you're able to really understand what's going on. Okay. All right, second up, a little overview of week 3. So for week 3 on Tuesday, it's a good day to check out that 6.4. It is about numerical integration and integration by tables. And then on Thursday would be a great day to check out 11.1 improper fraction or improper integrals. So those are the two topics for this week. And I wanted to add a little note that this is almost all of the content for exam 1. Okay. So as you start studying for exam 1, because I would start studying sooner rather than later, make sure that you know when to use which method. Okay, so on a test, I'm not going to say use improper integrals to solve this thing. I will give you a problem that will look similar to the ones we've had, and it might require you to decide which technique you're going to use. Okay. But if you're wondering a little bit more about exam 1, I wanted to talk about that before we get too far into the semester. So exam 1 information, it will be from 5:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. It will begin at 5:30 p.m. So you don't roll in at 6 o'clock, don't roll it at 6:30, be there at 5:30. As soon as you're done, you're welcome to take off. What day of the week will it be on? It is on Tuesday, September 23rd. And we will be having the exam in M105, which is on the first floor of the math building. You may bring a scientific calculator, but I will also provide scientific calculators if you don't have your own, but you may not use a graphing calculator. You may bring in a single-sided handwritten reference sheet on an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper, and it must be handwritten by you. You're welcome to put formulas on there, examples, whatever it is that you feel like might help prepare you for this exam. And what's going to be on the exam, it will cover all the sections that we've done so far, as well as 7.2 that we're going to do in week 4. All right, so 4.3, 6.3, 6.4, our supplemental lesson number 1, 11.1, and 7.2. There is going to be an optional in-person study group. So if you're feeling like this has been really lonely, you really want to get together with some of your best friends in this math class and myself, I will be leading a study group. It will be on Friday, September 19th. So it'll be the Friday before the exam. We will be working from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. and we will be working in the math lab on the Miramar campus. Okay, so that is an optional in-person study group if you like. Otherwise, you're welcome to come by any other time to the math lab. We have so many math tutors who would love to help you out. Okay, let me know if you have any questions and I will talk to you soon.